In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a zoom effect in your text in Shotcut. Let's bring down a clip here. I'm going to use an image clip. And let me get rid of these black bars real quick by going to filters. Size, position, rotate. And 120%. Let me add another video track by hitting Control I on the keyboard to open another one up. And I'm going to go up to open other, text, rich, open, and I'm going to drag and drop this text filter here. Stretch it out just a bit. And let's use this text. Actually, let's do a zoom. Let's increase the size to 100. Whoa, not 1,000. And let's go with Fontzilla, F-O. If you type in the first two letters real quick of your font, it'll pop it up automatically, and then just hit OK. I'm going to actually make this 200 instead of 100. Okay, let me add another text filter to this one. It's also going to be called size, position, rotate. This one is going to allow me to move it around. Let's start with this one here. 20% zoom, bring it up here to the top. And now I'm going to hit this keyframe icon to open the keyframe track. I'm going to move it about 2-3 seconds and then move this to where you want it to end up. I want it to end up here in the bottom right corner. Increase the zoom to 200%. And let's play it back. So that's one way to zoom it. Let's go back up here to size, position, rotate. Let me get rid of these keyframes. And let's do one where we're going to start small. Let's make this zoom sort of the center of the screen, move it to the left, out of the screen. Let's hit the stopwatch. Move this a little bit. Now let's move this to the side and a little bit low. Add a zoom right here to 100, actually 200. And then let's move this playhead just a bit and hit this stopwatch icon down here on the bottom left. And that's just going to be to keep the zoom text in the center without moving. Now when we move the playhead, now we're going to have this text exit the screen. What did we have earlier? 20% zoom. Now let's get this back to the center of the screen and out to the right, so that when we play it back, it looks like this. That's just a fun one. And for the next one, let's try let's have it go all the way down the road. Small zoom. I'm going to hit the keyframe icon and just get rid of these keyframes. I'm going to hit it again. I'm going to move the playhead forward and then bring this back to the center and zoom it back to 200%. And let's move the playhead just a bit just to hold that position there. hit this stopwatch icon again, create another keyframe, and to the last part is going to be back to where it was, all the way as small as you can. Once you see the 4 arrows, that's when you can move it. Now let's play this one back. This one I'm gonna play it on the big screen by going up here to where it says player on the top right corner, and then just hit the space bar to play. That's about it. Let me go back to editing. By the way, it has shortcuts here. If you hit Alt number 6, Alt 6 brings you back to the big screen. Alt number 2 brings you back. And those are some cool, easy ways to add a zoom effect to your text. Thanks for watching.